Ever feel trapped, stuck in a rut, like you're living someone else's life? You're not alone. Many people crave a fresh start, a chance to rewrite their story. This is the power of disappearing, of transforming yourself. This isn't about running away from problems, it's about taking control. It's about shedding old skin, embracing change, and becoming the architect of your own destiny. It's about rediscovering who you are, what you want, and fearlessly pursuing it. Imagine a new city, a new name, a new you. The possibilities are endless. You can explore passions you never knew you had. You can build relationships free from past baggage. You can finally be your true, authentic self. Are you ready to break free? Change is daunting. Leaving everything behind can feel terrifying. But fear is a liar. It whispers doubts, magnifies risks, and paralyzes us. To disappear successfully, you must first conquer your mind. Start with honesty. Why do you want to disappear? What are you hoping to achieve? Be clear about your motivations. This clarity will fuel you when times get tough. Next, embrace minimalism. The less you own, the less owns you. Start decluttering your physical possessions. This act alone can feel incredibly liberating, preparing you for the journey ahead. Finally, cultivate resilience. Change is rarely smooth sailing. There will be challenges, setbacks, moments of doubt. Embrace them. They are opportunities for growth, for learning, for becoming stronger than you ever thought possible. We live in a digital age where our every move is often tracked and recorded. Our online lives are intricately intertwined with our physical selves, creating a digital shadow that follows us everywhere. Disappearing, therefore, requires minimizing your digital footprint. This means taking deliberate steps to reduce the amount of personal information available online. This isn't about becoming invisible, but about taking control of your online narrative. It's about ensuring that what is out there represents you accurately and safely. Begin by reviewing your social media. Look at what you've shared over the years and consider what might be better kept private. Delete accounts you no longer use. Old accounts can be a treasure trove of information for those looking to exploit your data. Scrutinize privacy settings on those you keep. Make sure you're only sharing information with people you trust. Limit what you share, and be mindful of location tags. These can reveal more about your whereabouts than you might realize. Next, manage your online presence. Regularly search for your name and see what comes up. This can help you understand what others can find about you. Unsubscribe from newsletters and online services that you no longer need. This reduces the amount of data being collected about you. Use strong, unique passwords for all accounts. This makes it harder for hackers to gain access to your information. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords. This tool can help you maintain security without the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Finally, be aware of data brokers. These companies collect and sell your personal information, often without your knowledge. These companies collect and sell your personal information. They gather data from various sources and compile detailed profiles about you. You can opt out of many of these services. It might take some time, but it's worth it to protect your privacy. It requires effort, but it's a crucial step in reclaiming your privacy. By taking these actions, you can significantly reduce your digital shadow and take back control of your personal information. With a clean slate, both physically and digitally, you can begin crafting your new identity. This process is about more than just making surface-level changes. It's about delving deep into who you are and who you want to become. By starting fresh, you give yourself the opportunity to redefine your goals, values, and aspirations. This isn't about becoming someone else entirely, but about aligning your external self with your true inner self. Start with your name. Your name is more than just a label. It carries with it a sense of identity and history. Reflect on what your name means to you and how it represents your journey. Your name is your most basic identifier. Changing it can be a powerful symbolic act, a way of shedding old baggage and embracing a fresh start. It can signify a new chapter in your life, one where you are in control of your narrative. Next, consider your appearance. A new haircut, a different style of clothing. These subtle changes can have a big impact on how you see yourself and how others perceive you. Your appearance is often the first thing people notice about you, and it can influence their first impressions. Experiment with different looks until you find one that feels authentically you. This process can be both fun and enlightening as you discover new aspects of your personality through your style choices. These subtle changes can have a big impact on how you see yourself and how others perceive you. When you feel good about how you look, it boosts your confidence and can positively affect your interactions with others. Finally, cultivate new habits and interests. Engaging in activities that you are passionate about can bring a sense of fulfillment and joy to your life. Whether it's practicing yoga, reading, or gardening, these activities can help you connect with your inner self. Always wanted to learn a new language? Take up painting? Now's the time. Embrace these new pursuits with enthusiasm and an open mind. They can open up new avenues for personal growth and self-expression. These activities will shape your new identity, making you feel more confident and fulfilled. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, remember that the most important thing is to stay true to yourself. Your new identity should reflect your true essence and bring you closer to the person you aspire to be. The idea of disappearing and transforming can feel daunting, but countless individuals have successfully done it. These transformations often start with a single, brave decision to step away from the familiar and embrace the unknown. It's a journey that requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to face one's fears head-on. Their stories serve as beacons of hope, proving that change is possible. They illuminate the path for others, showing that no matter how dark or uncertain the road ahead may seem, there is always a way forward. These individuals have navigated their own storms and emerged stronger, more fulfilled, and more aligned with their true selves. Consider the story of John Smith, a burnout executive who left his high-pressure job to become a park ranger. John had spent years climbing the corporate ladder, only to find himself feeling empty and disconnected. The constant stress and long hours took a toll on his health and happiness. He traded his suit and tie for hiking boots and a ranger hat, finding peace and purpose in the tranquility of nature. In the forest, John discovered a sense of belonging and a deeper connection to the world around him. His days are now filled with the sounds of birdsong and the rustle of leaves, a stark contrast to the constant buzz of the office, or the tale of Emily Jones, a single mother trapped in an unfulfilling life. Emily felt stuck in a cycle of monotony, struggling to make ends meet while feeling unappreciated and undervalued. She knew she needed a change, not just for herself but for her children as well. She reinvented herself as a freelance writer, working from home and raising her children on her own terms. Emily's new career allowed her to tap into her creativity and passion for storytelling, while also providing the flexibility she needed to be present for her kids. She built a successful business from the ground up, proving that it's never too late to start over. She found freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. Emily's transformation not only improved her own life but also set a powerful example for her children, teaching them the value of perseverance and self-belief. These stories, and countless others, demonstrate the transformative power of reinvention. They show that with determination and a clear vision, anyone can break free from their current circumstances and create a life that truly reflects their values and aspirations. They remind us that it's never too late to change your life, to chase your dreams, to become the best version of yourself. Each story is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for growth and renewal, encouraging us all to take that first step towards our own transformation. The open road ahead, embracing the journey of change. Disappearing and transforming yourself is not a destination, but a journey. It's a continuous process of self-discovery, growth, and evolution. Embrace the uncertainty, embrace the challenges, embrace the unknown. Remember, you are not alone. Many have walked this path before you, and their experiences can be invaluable guides. Seek out support groups, online forums, or connect with others who have successfully reinvented themselves. Most importantly, trust yourself. Trust your instincts. Trust your ability to adapt, overcome, and thrive. The journey may be long, but the rewards are immeasurable. A life of freedom, authenticity, and self-determination awaits. Take the first step and begin your transformation today. Navigating the emotional labyrinth. Leaving your old life behind is not just a physical act, it's an emotional roller coaster. You might experience grief for the life you're leaving behind, even if it was one you needed to escape. This is normal. Allow yourself to feel these emotions, to process them, to let them go. Expect moments of loneliness. Building a new life takes time. You're leaving behind familiar faces, comfortable routines, and established support systems. It's okay to feel a pang of loneliness as you navigate this new terrain. Reach out, Connect with people who share your interests, who support your journey. Join clubs, attend events, volunteer your time. Building new connections is essential for your emotional well-being. The price of freedom, what we leave behind. Reinvention often comes at a cost. Relationships might be strained as loved ones struggle to understand your choice. Career paths might shift, requiring you to start anew. Material possessions that once held meaning might be left behind. Acknowledge these losses, grieve them, but don't let them hold you captive. View them as necessary sacrifices on the path to personal liberation. Remember why you chose this path: to live a life true to yourself, free from the constraints of your past. Focus on the gains, the freedom you gain, the authenticity you discover, the personal growth you experience. These are the treasures that await you on the other side of transformation. Your transformation starts today. You don't need a detailed plan or a plane ticket to begin your transformation. Start small, declutter a corner of your home, delete an old social media account, take a class in something you've always been curious about. Each small step, each act of courage brings you closer to the life you envision. The path to reinvention is paved with these small victories. Celebrate them. Let them fuel your desire to keep moving forward. Remember, transformation is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming a better version of yourself day by day. So, embrace the journey, embrace the unknown, and step boldly into the extraordinary potential that lies within you.